If you've always wanted to know how to set up Active Campaign inside of ClickFunnels, then this is the video for you. What's up, everybody? It's the Funnel Doc, and today we're going to be going over how to set up Active Campaign or how to integrate Active Campaign inside of ClickFunnels. Super easy to do, but I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. First thing you want to do is log in your ClickFunnels account, just like I have here. You're going to hover over your account details or your personal icon right here, and you'll see this menu will pop up. You're going to go down to Integrations, second one down right here. And then at the top, you're going to see Add New Integration, this button right here. Boom. And then here you're going to have all your different integrations. And the cool thing is you can see here it shows Actions, which would be Facebook, Live Broadcast, and then ZenDirect. You have delivery, so if you wanted like drop ship type stuff, ShipStation, Shopify. If you want to go to email, it has all your different emails, all your different messengers, all your different SMS, which is just Twilio, and different webinars. Now, if we go back to the front, the one we're going to be looking at under the main page is Active Campaign. They are in alphabetical order, so we're going to click on Active Campaign. At that point, you're going to want to name your integration. So we're going to call this Funnel Doc Active Campaign, and you can call it whatever you want to call it. Just make sure that it's something that you're easily able to recognize, so when you're scrolling through other areas, you don't want to be confused. So like if you have multiple active campaigns or multiple things that are very similar, be very succinct in what you name them so it doesn't confuse you later on. Now, inside your active campaign, we're not going to go into setting that up. It's super easy to do. You get a 14-day free trial. There is a link down below, so if you want to try Active Campaign, you can click that. Plus, there is a 14-day free trial for ClickFunnels listed below as well, so if you want to try them out hand in hand, those are down below in the description. But once you log in and set up your Active Campaign account, it's going to look something just like this right here. To integrate it with ClickFunnels, you're going to go down to the Settings tab. That's a Settings tab right here. You're going to click on that bad boy. And then this is going to be your settings menu or your settings layout. You're going to come right here to where it says Developer. You're going to click on that, and then this is where you're going to get your different API access that you're going to need. So you're going to need your API key, which is this guy right here. You're just going to click on it, and you can hit copy, and then you're going to come in here, and you're going to paste that bad boy right there. And then the top one is your URL, and you're just going to copy it. You can hit Control and C or copy, and then you're going to paste that in. And make sure you get the right one, the key and the URL, and the right ones. Then you're going to hit Save Integration. And then you're going to see right here at the bottom, New Active Campaign, Funnel Doc Active Campaign. And it's literally that easy. At this point now, it is integrated. Hey, well, I hope you enjoyed that video on how to integrate Active Campaign into ClickFunnels. Please be sure to click the links below. There's one for Active Campaign. There is one for ClickFunnels. I am an affiliate for both, but I know these are awesome softwares that I use with my everyday empire as well. There's other great links below for other ClickFunnels products and other Funnel Doc things. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. Also, my groups down there. If you're looking for funnels, emails, bots, traffic training as far as organic or paid, it's all inside there. So make sure you join my Funnel Doc group as well. Thanks. Funnel Doc out.